Hey guys, I'm back after a 10-day vacation and it's time to talk about the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. There's been a lot of criticizing lately Samsung now being lazy and not innovating, etc. They used to be the one to do everything first, but other companies have sort of taken a lead. Companies like Vivo, they already have a in-display fingerprint scanner phone. Even Huawei introduced an in-display fingerprint scanner with their Mate RS phone. There's like no desire to innovate. People are not happy and they expect Samsung to deliver the best. With this size, Samsung Galaxy Note 9 will be the ultimate king. We really need a phone that can go beyond one day of use comfortably, so 3850 mAh cell is excellent, and in my opinion, it's going to be the most useful feature of the Galaxy Note 9. And lastly, the release for the Note 9 is expected to be early than Galaxy Note 8's release. The report claims that the display production has already started. From that, it is expected that the Note 9 will get launched sometime in the month of July. This might be because Apple will Note 9. The investor got some exclusive information from the industry sources that say Samsung Display has prepared 3 or 4 solutions to embed the fingerprint scanner in display, with one being seriously considered. Now we have a huge update on that courtesy of Let's Go Digital. Samsung has filed a new patent named Apparatus and Method for Receiving Fingerprint Information Through Guide. According to this patent, the current situation that Samsung is facing is that there is less space on the phone for a large fingerprint scanner, so they have to build a fingerprint scanner that is smaller than the finger but can still register an entire finger, and should be implemented in the display area without 3300 mAh size on the Galaxy Note 8, which was them being cautious. But now the Note 9 might actually break the mold and rock a 3850 mAh cell that will surely make this phone the ultimate battery king. Ever since the Note 7 disasters, Samsung is sort of conscious, like they don't want to take the risk or adopt a certain technology before anyone else. The Galaxy S9 has a pretty less sales compared to the Galaxy S8 or S8 Plus. According to one report, it's about 40% less in US. The Galaxy Note 9 will be based on the Galaxy S9 family, just like the Note 8 was based on the S8. This will make the Galaxy Note 9 a perfect Note, but at the same time, it will hurt the sales because nothing is very exciting. So what will Samsung deliver with the Note 9 that will turn the things around? Last time we talked about this big exciting news that Samsung is still going to put an in-display fingerprint scanner on this upcoming Galaxy any size compromise. Since the fingerprint scanner is smaller than the size of the finger, it will register different parts of the finger that Samsung calls the guide. So pretty much as soon as you put your finger on the display, it will recognize a part of it, then it will ask the user to place the finger again in a different direction to register the other part. As explained in this patent diagram, putting finger in 4 different directions so that it registers the finger completely. The patent also clearly states that the in-display fingerprint scanner can also be used for household appliances such as telephone from a company, and that's where Samsung must deliver. And now let's talk about the most useful Note 9 feature, which is not that exciting, but it's a must that everybody will appreciate. According to Ice Universe tweet, the Galaxy Note 9 will rock a 3850 mAh battery with an in-display fingerprint scanner. 3850 mAh will be the largest flagship battery size from Samsung ever. The last biggest size was with the Galaxy S7 Edge, coming at 3600 mAh or refrigerators. You can check out the full patent by yourself. So pretty much Samsung is in need for a desperate, immediate innovation. This is still yet to happen. We know Vivo did it, but they're not as big as Apple or Samsung. Huawei only did it with their special edition Porsche design phone, which is a limited edition smartphone that will not going to be released internationally, and it also costs a lot. So we still have yet to see a single international in-display fingerprint scanner flagship phone. We're releasing 3 iPhones in the month of September, so Samsung, they want a head start by releasing the Galaxy Note 9 early with an in-display fingerprint scanner. Hopefully that will happen. This patent tells us that Samsung is still working on this. It's not scrap, it's still a possibility. Again, we'll see more leaks on this soon. The larger battery is well appreciated, and of course along with that we'll see all the good stuff like the stereo speakers, the better camera and all that awesome things, and the software will also be improved with some new features that we haven't seen on the Galaxy S9 family. Again, we'll see more information soon, so be sure to subscribe and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.